Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the language for Gemini. To change the language for Gemini on Samsung Galaxy A27, you'll need to open the Gemini app. Then it will get you there, and now you can click on two lines in the top right corner, the menu basically. Then click on the settings here, and now you should be able to go to the settings, then go to languages, and you can add a main language and a second language. So you can either change the main language or add the second one. I'll leave the first language on this, and the second one I'll set Polish. Let's do it like that. And now this is what it looks like. Now it should be able to speak in both languages, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.